This commercial is brought to you by Sunny Fruit. Sunny Fruit is an amazing way to start your day. So I wanted to talk to you guys, my junior brokers out there, and hopefully you're not offended by that term. For my junior brokers out there, I wanted to talk to you about how to read a site plan and how to give feedback to developers on an appropriate layout for a site. Now, obviously, every site is different. No two sites are the same, generally speaking. Sometimes they're perfectly shaped, square, rectangular, great, perfect. Sometimes you've got some odd ones out there. This is one of the odd ones, so I wanted to kind of show you how we devised a plan to lay out this site. So as you can see here, we've got a great site plan on a kind of irregularly shaped site. Now, the key with this is we were able to create ingress and egress for full flow around the building. So you can come in off the main road, you can loop around back behind the building and tend to your loading, or if you're an employee and you want to just park in the parking lot, you can do that. We also have a separate exit off onto another main road. So this is one in from the corner. So technically it's an inline site, but it does still have connectivity to the crossroad. So you have a road going like this and a road going like this. So we have accessibility to both, which is fantastic for flow. So trucks can come in here and pop back out, or cars can come in here and pop back out, and you don't have any crossing of trucks and cars, which tends to be a negative. You don't really want to see that if you could avoid it at all. So the flow of this building is great. You've got ample parking here. You do have some additional parking on the side of the building as well. And then all the retention area is held up front, and then there's some pieces in the corner and the sides that add to the amount that's needed by code. This is a smaller bay building. This is going to be about 40,000 square feet on about a 4-acre site, and it's going to be 32-foot clear. It's going to have ESFR, rear load, dock high building, so very functional, meeting all the standards. It's a smaller building because of the irregularity of the site. The coverage wasn't so great, so we only got in like about the 20s, I think, on the coverage ratio, which Broward is usually in the 30 to 35% range in coverage, and Dade is usually even higher than that. But regardless, it's a fantastic site. It is in an OZ, an opportunity zone, so that makes it really, really interesting. It does have frontage on a major road with a lot of traffic, so you get some great traffic flows, so it'd be great for any kind of a showroom-esque type tenant or someone that needs to be found very easily. This is a very exciting project. It's going to be a huge success. We've already got a ton of interest in it. That's kind of how we determined to lay it out. We had multiple scenarios. We had one scenario with a building back here and a building up here doing grade level drive-in. We nixed that one. So there were a couple of different options. We had one with sawtooth loading, which we nixed that one as well, just because it was a smaller building and really didn't make sense. So this is the option we went with. We're just days away from submitting for DRC. It's super exciting. So that's how I like to interpret site plans. If you have any weird looking site plans out there and you want to show them to us and see what kind of layout you were able to get, I'd love to see them. I'd love to talk about it. If you have any new construction projects that you're marketing, please post it below. Post a flyer, post a site plan. Doesn't matter where it is. I have connections, all over the country. So hopefully someone will see it and have some interest in your site. I really appreciate you watching. Larry Janae, thanks.